Have you ever felt like you're trying to be kind, calm, and patient, but the world sees it as weakness? Like the more good you try to do, the more you're taken for granted? It's not just you. In a world that values power and noise, silence, self-control, and thoughtfulness are often misunderstood. But what if I told you that your true strength lies not in controlling others, but in mastering yourself? You see, anyone who can make you angry becomes your master. The first rule of a strong mind is this: keep your spirit calm, untroubled. The second, look at things as they are, not as your emotions paint them. Each morning, remind yourself, it is a gift to be alive, to breathe, to think, to love. You have power, not over the world, but over your own mind. Realize this, and you will discover the strength you never knew you had. Most people suffer more in their imagination than in reality. We worry about things that haven't happened yet. But remember, he who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than he needs to. Be like a rock on the shore. The waves may crash, the storms may come, but you remain steady, firm, calm. Nature gave us two ears and one tongue for a reason. We are meant to listen more than we speak. We protect our money, our property, our homes. But when it comes to time, we waste it without a thought. Treat each day like a separate life. Live it fully. Count it. Respect it. And if you truly want peace, don't look for a new place. Look within. You don't need a new destination. You need a new mindset. Many of the things we think we need, we don't. We only keep them because we're used to having them. Learn to let go. You'll find freedom there. If you don't know where you're going, no wind will ever be favorable. Know your purpose. Know your direction. Here's a hard truth. We love ourselves more than anyone else. Yet we care more about their opinions than our own. Why? Next time life hurts you, remember, this is not misfortune. How you bear it, that's the real strength. That's your fortune. Don't waste time debating what a good person should be. Be one. Your thoughts shape your mind. Think better. Live better. If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it. What happens to you isn't what matters. How you react to it, that's everything. Luck? Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. The poor man isn't the one who has little. It's the one who wants more and is never satisfied. Know yourself. That's the start of all wisdom. Challenges don't break you. They reveal you. Storms show us who we really are. Death smiles at us all. But the wise, they smile back. Nothing lasts forever. Everything changes. That's not a reason to fear. It's a reason to live. If you want to grow, accept being misunderstood. Let them think you're foolish. Let them doubt. You're not here to impress. You're here to evolve. Anger hurts us more than the reason we got angry in the first place. No one ever became wise by accident. Wisdom is a choice, a habit, a discipline. The truly free person is not the one with no limits, it's the one who has power over his desires. Life is short, but if lived well, it's long enough. The things outside of you, don't let them control what's inside you. Every action of your life, treat it like it could be your last. We all think we have time, but sometimes we don't. Don't just talk about your values. Live them. Great things take time. Let your mind ripen like fruit. First comes the blossom, then the fruit, then the harvest. We suffer more from our thoughts than from the actual events. Live now. Not tomorrow. Not yesterday. Now is all you really have. You can't control what happens, but you can always control how you respond. If someone insults you, and it's true, fix it. If it's a lie, laugh it off. Don't chase approval. Hold on to what you believe in, even if the world doesn't. The best revenge: to be nothing like the person who hurt you. Sometimes, simply surviving is an act of courage. The problem isn't that life is short. It's that we waste too much of it. Stay present. Stay calm. Stay in control. Your thoughts become your reality. The wisest people don't worry about what they don't have. They cherish what they do. The strongest person is the one who masters himself. Respect the past. Be ready for the future. But live in the now. If you live according to your soul, not society, you'll never be poor. Detach from what doesn't matter. The greatest blessings are already inside you, waiting to be noticed. You can't change everything, but you can change you. And that changes everything. If these words made you pause, made you think, or reminded you of your own strength, then don't keep this to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Quote Wisdom, where your mind finds its strength. Until next time, stay still, stay strong, stay wise.